Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So I just got out of the shower. I did a wash day in under an hour. Okay. What? And I had a wash and go. I forgot my comb. My detangling brush. I forgot my detangling brush, which I usually would do if I was afraid of tangles and stuff. But I just, did a light detangling with my fingers, shampooed twice, and then conditioned with my silicone conditioner because I'm doing a protective style. I usually do silicone conditioners before protective style because it seals in the moisture and it's light. I don't want to be putting creams or shea butter or anything like that on my hair while I am protective styling because it's, going to be in there for a long time and I need it to be not build uppy and gross so that I can easily take the braids out, detangle. There won't be, braid sediment. So, yes, I shampooed, conditioned, kind of squeezed out the excess, and then I just went into twisting, and these are my twists. These are 16 twists. So I did kind of do the challenge. So the challenge is what was I even saying? I don't remember. But I did these 16 twists, and at this point they're like, when people say they have plump twists, they have no idea, because do you see this? Like, when I say my hair is thick to the point of annoyance, I'm not mad at this. Like, I was expecting this to be ugly. And it's not. Like, I wouldn't say it's cute, but it's not ugly. Like, I would go to the grocery store looking like this to braid my hair. And I did finish stretching the hair. The hair is under this laundry basket right here. It is stretched. And obviously I'm a human, I'm not perfect, so I might need to do some stretching if I find any pieces that are blunt as I go. And I'm going to probably separate some pieces, and I don't know where I'm gonna put them. I really should have brought my braiding assistant thing home, but I didn't think about it. So it is still at the shop. And what else? I think that's it. I'm gonna try to do the braids like medium. Oh, I forgot to tell you the most important thing, which is that I was very tired last night. I was supposed to wash my hair last night, but I was super tired, and I was like, let's just do it wet. I'm not going to use edge control or, braiding jam. Blow drying, I could still do it, but I don't think I will. I think I'm just gonna do it wet. I looked it up and I saw very few videos about people doing box braids or any kind of braids on wet hair. So I was like, okay, let me be one of the people who makes it more popular. Now, obviously, I want my hair to not be, soaking wet. But I noticed that my hair is much flatter, much easier to flatten and smooth when it is damp or wet. And so I'm just gonna do that. Instead of trying to blow dry it straight or, trying to use a bunch of jam, because that is just gonna make it gross when I try to take it out. And also, the hair is white, so I don't want it to look gross while it's in either. So I think that'll help with that. Now as for tucking, I'm gonna try my best, because I braid underhand, so like when I do it on someone else, it's easy to tuck the hair because you're going over there. When you do it on yourself, it's like, how do I tuck backwards? We're gonna see what happens. So I'm going to start separating my hair. Not my hair, but my braiding hair. And I did soak the hair, as you probably already saw. And I'm gonna try to remember how many packs I use. So this is one pack. I do have okay, so I am back with this smoothie. This is the smoothie. It has vanilla yogurt, spinach, frozen strawberries, frozen raspberries, almond milk, and honey. And it's delicious. I'm going to stretch 2 more packs. So that will be 3 packs that were cut in half. So it's kind of like having 6 packs of not cut in half hair, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna see how far that takes me, and if I need to stretch more while I'm braiding, then I will, because I'm sure I'm gonna want to take a break or 2. So I'm gonna get stretching, and I'll be back when I am done. Alright, I'm done. Would you look at that mountain of hair? It looks like Appa. My hair is still pretty wet in some areas, but I feel like it might be dry enough to start. I think I'm gonna start. I'm gonna wash this comb really quick. Okay, so I am about halfway done. I've done 25 braids. And this is what it looks like. And I still haven't finished my smoothie, so I've been working. And I've got to say, this is what the ends look like. I did a pretty good job stretching this time. None of them have come unraveled. And I'm doing a little bit better of a job at tucking as well. No major mishaps, so I'm happy about that. So here is the final look. I did kind of medium parts and the braids are, I would say, medium. I did not use a lot of hair, and you guys, this is my favorite braided hairstyle that I've done on myself so far. I love the color. It is just eye-catching. It pops. It's such a stark contrast between my dark hair, and it looks nice in a bun. Like I said, this year I'm going to be doing a lot of, away from the face hairstyles because of my piercings, and I just think it looks so cool. I don't know, I haven't seen many people doing this, so as you can see, there's some unevenness in the parts in the back. It's gonna happen, and I definitely still need to work on trying to make my braids the same size, because my hair at the top is very dense, and I'll remember that for next time. This is how it looks down, and I wish I had flipped the hair over to the other side, but this is how I braided it, so this was how I thought it was gonna look best, but actually when I flipped it over to the other side, it looked a lot better. But just giving some face, some shoulder. That's how it looks when it's down. I can shake it, and these braids never came unraveled, even though when I dipped them, they did not really seem to do anything. So you don't really have to dip this hair if you want to buy it. I personally probably am not going to buy this hair again, because I like just the cleaner look, I guess. But you know, if you don't like the dip, and also when I did, you know, this deeper kind of part with the hair going over, it looked better as well. So yeah, I did a much better job tucking. You can see there's only a few pieces or a few braids where there's pieces of hair coming out. It's very lightweight, like extremely lightweight, very flat, and I love that look on me. Very different from, you know, my usual afro, but this is how the parts look. I didn't use any product. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but I was like, what's the point when I'm gonna be, you know, sweating bullets twice a week? I'm a captain of an ultimate team in the summertime, so it is hot, it is sweaty, it is gross, and I didn't want to waste product trying to, you know, make the parts look neat. However, I do find that I am going to be refreshing soon, so yeah. But yeah, you can see the braid looks pretty clean there, and this is how the ends look. They're super, I don't know, frazzled, like the hair doesn't lay down, just super fuzzy, but you know, they stayed, so I mean, no complaints in that regard. This is how they look from afar in the front. Of course, I won't be wearing my hair like that, but you know, it's nice to look like that for a few seconds. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment what you think of this hairstyle, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.